Welcome everyone. The first ionization energy of beryllium is greater than that of boron. The valence shell electron configuration of beryllium is 2s2. The outermost subshell is 2s, which is fulfilled, so its stability is high. The valence shell electron configuration of boron is 2s2 2p1. The outermost subshell is 2p, which is neither half-filled nor full-filled, so its stability is low. According to Hund's rule, a full-filled or half-filled subshell attains extra stability. Removing an electron from the outermost subshell of beryllium requires more energy than removing an electron from the outermost subshell of boron. Therefore, the first ionization energy of beryllium is greater than the first ionization energy of boron. Thank you for watching this video.